In conclusion, we have looked in depth into some of the processes that you'll be using with your Microsoft PowerPoint application. And once you've completed your document, you may want to share it with others so that they can help you to work on it. And PowerPoint does give you that option through Microsoft Office through its cloud storage on OneDrive. And so in order to use that storage, in order to collaborate with others, you are going to need to go to the share area inside of your document. Now, in order to use the share area, of course, you are going to need to be signed in. So when we click this link, you're going to notice then that PowerPoint is asking us to sign in. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. Now, once you have your share dialog box, you are going to need to have an internet connection as well as an active OneDrive. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Microsoft OneDrive. Now what we can do is we can invite people by email to the document, but another way to share the document is to get a sharing link, and that is what we will do here. When we do that, we'll have two options. We can get a view only link, or we can create an edit link, and this will give the person who has that link the opportunity to edit the document that we send them. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this link, and then we're going to send it to the person that we want to work on the document. Now when the person has this link, you'll notice that the document is there, and what they'll need to do is they'll need to click Edit in Browser. Now you'll notice that Microsoft is saying that this document is already saved to OneDrive, and you have a version of Microsoft PowerPoint available online. So you'll notice that you have the Insert command, you have Design command, Transitions, Animations, Review, and View. All of those are in the ribbon, yet everything is taking place online. So we can edit the document, and we can write in other content. And because we're using this naked link, this would have been the experience of the person who would have had the link sent to them, and it doesn't matter if they have an account with Microsoft or not. Now the document is being auto-saved as we go, so we don't need to resave the document. In fact, what you'll notice is that there's an undo command here. If we go to the file area, there are previous versions of the document where we can find in this area. So basically, you'll be able to work collaboratively with other people as long as you give them a link to share that they'll be able to use inside of their browser and then change the PowerPoint presentation as they work on it. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course.